The problem is up to this one is okay. Next one, as what is S? S is what is S?
Complex number, sir.
Complex variable. Correct. Complex variable. So if it is not complex, directly you know the solution. Correct. Integration. Should I write this integration? Okay. The integration is C e to the power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity. Correct.
Yes,
I
sir.
am fully agree with you. And then what is the answer?
C by S.
C by S. C by S. Correct. The problem is your answer is correct, but we should not do like this down. Okay. Of course, after when you are finding the Laplace transform, you can find this one, but not in initial stage right now. Okay. So if S, why we should not consider like that? I will show you. S is complex. Answer is correct. C by S. Only if we write this type of thing, you should know what is actually inside. Okay. Do you know e to the power I theta? What is the answer?
Cos theta plus I sin theta, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So since you know that one, based on that, I will write. Okay. Next. So this one. Now, already you have same thing. I am writing here. It is okay. F of S integration 0 to infinity. Okay. Infinity. That is C e to the power minus st dt. So write down C. Okay. Limit t tends to infinity. Integration 0 to t to the power minus st dt. Why I am writing this one? C is complex. So now t is not infinity. We can write directly. Okay. So you can write 1 minus, or you can write limit C. Okay. Limit t tends to infinity. Small c, of course. And now the integration. Okay, e to the power minus st minus s. So not it, there is no infinite, so we can write like that. Okay, so see that s is complex, t is out independent of t limit, so we can take outside. So it is 1 minus, okay, limit t tends to infinity, okay, e to the power minus st. This one. Okay, so now we know that what is that one? S equals to a plus ib. Correct. So now can you say what is the form e to the power minus st? What is that one? That is actually e to the power st equals to s means e to the power minus a plus ib into t. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is that one then? E to the power minus at
AT
into
e to the
cos
power minus
of
I bt.
Vt plus I sin Vt. This is the form. Okay. Is it visible?
Sir, I think minus, sir. Cos bt minus I sin bt.
Or plus? Minus or plus?
Sir, we have
Minus.
minus multiplying that a plus ib.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Okay. So
So we'll
cos
get
minus theta. What is the answer? Cos of minus theta.
cos theta, sir.
Cos theta. So this one only change. Correct. This part
Yes,
is
sir.
correct. Very good. So now just now I will write that is C by S, that form. Okay. Okay. Before that. Okay. Just before that, we can directly consider here. So limit only this one. So limit of, I will change the color. Just 1 minute. So actually this integration, okay, this integration, sorry, this limit is nothing but limit of t tends to infinity. Am I correct? So that
Yes,
is limit of t tends to infinity. Okay. So now you tell me what is the limit value of this one, right hand side. Okay. t tends to infinity, okay, 1 by e to the power at. Am I correct? This
Yes,
part.
sir.
So when t tends to infinity, what is the value of 1 by e to the power at?
0, sir.
Then what is the integration? 0, correct na?
0.
But if it
Yes,
is
sir.
0, if it is 0, then total system is 0. Okay, that's why what this part, this real part, okay, that means this is the real part, a plus ib. Okay, so this is the real part. A should be greater than 0. Okay, that means this part should be greater than 0, otherwise, okay, if it is something say less than 0, then again it is minus. So minus means it will be again e to the power at. I am telling you, if a is what? Any value,
Positive.
correct? If it is say a is less than 0, what is the answer?
E power 80.
E to the power 80, minus minus plus, correct? And then if you take the limit, what is the answer?
Infinity.
Infinity. Then that should not be correct now. Infinity means total.
Yes,
This
sir.
f of s is infinity. Then what is your conclusion from this discussion?
It is an improper integral.
So correct. So only this one exists. This limit exists. I am telling you. If you are agree, then only you say yes. This limit exists if what is the answer? If
A greater than 0.
a greater than 0. Correct? Are all, I mean, say two fellow are agree means all other people also may be agree. So what is the a?
A real number, sir.
A real part of s. You are correct. Real number, of course. And more significantly, we can say that what is a? That is real part of s. What?
Sir, small doubt, sir.
I'll come to you. But before that, a is the real part of s, and b is the real part of, sorry, imaginary part of b. So this real part we are writing re of s. Correct. Now you can ask. What else? Okay, tell me. What is your doubt?
Sir, even if the limit goes to infinity, the limit is existing, right? How can we say
Limit
the
is-
limit does not exist?
Okay. Then you find f of s. What is the answer?
Sir,
You are
if
correct.
A is less
No,
than
no.
0,
No. Correct. My point is just listen. A is less than 0. Then what is the limit? This integration?
limit is infinity, sir.
Infinity. Okay. So now I'm using that value c is 1 minus infinity. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer then f of s?
Minus infinity.
But not minus, of course you can say this one also, it will be reduced. So you are not getting any transformation, correct? In minus infinity is not the transformation of the constant c.
Oh, okay, sir.
So that's why it should not be infinity. That's why you have to consider that a should be greater than 0. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
That's why that is the back side. So to avoid this infinity, we are considering that, okay, this a should be greater than 0, and that a is nothing but the real part of the complex variable. Okay, so I understood now. Some part should be erased. Clear in this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you understood that one. So now, so this limit exists, okay, with a real value if, okay, if this condition holds. What is that one? The real part of s should be, that means a should be greater than 0. So we can write that c by s 1 minus, if this is a greater than 0, this integration, this limit is tends to 0, correct now? So 1 minus 0, provided that, so you understood this one, na?
Yes, sir.
Provided that a, that is real part of s greater than 0, correct? So the now Laplace transform is C by S. Okay.
Sir,
Provided that I will come to you. Okay. Provided that real part of S is greater than 0. Tell me.
sir, even if we work with the infinity, since in the
Hmm.
power it is minus s by t, then after putting the limits, it will
No,
automatically
minus A minus e to the power minus st only we have considered, no?
So sir, working with infinity will be giving the same answer, sir.
How?
Sir,
I listen, check it. I have taken the total limit only, this one, not e to the power minus infinity only, not e to the power minus st only. Okay, tell me then.
sir, if we will integrate e power minus st, then it will be e power minus st by minus s.
Correct.
Then after putting the value in the limits, the t will be the place of t we will write infinity, and since e power minus infinity and it will become down, then it will become by 1 by e power infinity, and since e power infinity is likely to be tending to infinity, then 1 by infinity becomes 0.
Correct. But TE you are putting in infinity, considering that S is the real number. But here S is not real number. That is the problem. That's why this derivation is required. If S is real number, no need to consider all this discussion. Since S is then you are correct. Since S is complex, you have to show this one. But this is for initial discussion only. No need to show all this. Maximum cases, this results what I have derived that one and what you are telling, that will be same. But you should know the background of that concept. That's why I'm discussing this one. Okay. The answer will be C by S. Already we have discussed that answer will be C by S. If I show the previous one, you can easily say that is C by S. Can you see? This is the initial discussion. The answer is C by S. But if you go to the next page and final page, you can see that finally we will get C by S after all this discussion. Clear? Now you have pen and paper. I will give you one problem. Okay, you have to derive yourself now, and you can answer this one. Okay, just wait. Before that, another simple function, next simple function. Okay, what is the time? Time is there. No problem. 11 to up to what? 12 o'clock. Huh? Okay, time is there. Okay. So now I will not discuss all these complex concepts. Okay, directly we can consider the solution. Fine, and then you have to do solve one problem. Then stop. Find the Laplace transform of f of t equals to t. So now solution. Okay. Here f of t is a given function. Okay, equals to t. The Laplace transform of f of t is okay. L f of t equals to L t is equal to 0 infinity x to the power minus s as per the definition, right? Okay. So if the power minus s square by dt, then you can okay. So integration 0 to infinity t to the power minus s. Same discussion is since is complex. Okay, you can write other discussion you can see. Then we make t so integration to dt. T is to the power minus st dt. So finally L of t L of t equals to what is the answer? Limit L can be infinity. So this integration, that limit is 0 to 2 t. T equal to minus what is the integration value? So you know in the integration. Okay. You formula. By part also you can use c square, then you have to do 3 times by part, correct?
Yes, sir.
You know integration of u to v. You have studied formula is there in uv formula.
Yes, sir.
U is the function of t, v is also function of t. What will be this integration? So here it is. Okay. So I will tell you this concept. Okay. So if you now here it is by parts is okay. Okay. Only one power t. Correct. So easily you can find. So t into integration of e to the power minus st, e to the power minus st by a minus s, then minus t derivative of t, that means 1. Okay. Again the integration of e to the power minus st. So e to the power minus st minus s into minus s. So minus s whole square. Sorry. So the limit is limit t tends to infinity. Okay. Now if you put the limits, you will get the answer like that: minus t e to the power minus st by s minus, okay, e to the power minus st by s square. Limit is 0 to t. Now I should not find the limit. You can tell me the answer, final answer after that calculation.
1 by s square, sir.
1 by s square. Okay. Like earlier, okay. So answer is this one. I will change the color. So the answer is, okay, limit, sorry, Laplace transform of f of t equals to, okay, that is 1 by s square. Okay, here also same case you can say. So you should write, okay, provided, correct, provided that real part of s is greater than 0, otherwise it will be not defined. Okay, next. Okay, you have 10 minutes time. Okay, you have to complete that one, this one, 9 minutes. Okay, pen and paper. I will see odd roll number. Okay, even roll number. Do this sum. Okay, find the Laplace transform of f of t sin at. I will see your paper. Okay, na? So you have to twist on your, okay, a is a real constant. Hence, quick. You have completed your, you have written according to your roll number, you write the function f of t sin at cos at. Sine is what type of function? Odd function or even function?
Odd, sir.
So that's why I give it. That's why I given to odd roll numbers. Okay. And cos 80, you are sine for you sine sorry cos 80. Why it is even roll number? Okay. I will close this window. Okay. I will be continue with you. Okay. It is there. So now you tell me if you have completed, to take time and complete it. Somebody is writing. If you are writing, listen. When I am in call, I can't see your message. What you are sending the messages. Okay. In full screen, I am using. So
Sir,
yeah.
for
Completed.
sin 80, it will, yes, sir.
No. What is your name?
Sanchit.
Sanjit, can you just show the problem? Okay, now you switched on your camera only and show your problem only. Means a solution. Okay, you can close your, you can switch off. Okay, switch off your, next. Don't, next. Sanjit, you can leave the meeting. Okay. Today that's
Yes,
all.
sir.
Okay. Next. Good. Burn on white page.
Sir,
Yeah.
the
What is
answer
your
is A by
name?
A square plus S square, sir. Dharma Ashit, sir. Roll
No,
number
no.
55.
I know the answer. Okay. So just show your
Okay.
notebook. That's all. No, no, not you. Your notebook. Yeah. Only that part. Another. Wait. Wait. Okay. Go to the next page. Next. Yes. Remember here also you have to write provided RE of real part of S is greater than 0. Otherwise it will be a problem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's okay. Okay. 55.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I got S by A square plus S square. Like
No
for
problem.
cos.
You show me your notebook only. Okay.
Okay, sir, 1 second. Here is the answer.
No. Answer. I know your answer is correct, but I want to see the steps what you have done. Okay. Okay. Just wait. Hold on. Little bit close once more. Okay. Roll number is 34. Correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all. Next. I'm noting down your roll number also 55, 34, 20, 37. Quick, by 9 minutes is more than enough for this introduction. And like you, second year EC people should not delay like that. I know you people are very good. That's why I have taken this.
Sir, I got the answer, but I don't know if it is correct, sir.
No problem, Mr. Reddy. What is your name? Sanjay. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sanjay, show your notebook only. Notebook. And not like No, you keep on your
Sir,
table.
wait, sir. I'll remove
Ah.
that filter, sir. Wait, sir.
Yeah. Keep it on your table and just put your mobile on that. No problem. No, not in that way. Keep it on your table or somewhere where you are sitting, and then you show, like when you are taking any snaps, no, like that. No, it's not visible. By other, till a little bit in front side will be tilled. Okay. 1 by s square by aq by sq. Okay, 1 by s. 1 by s or 1 by s square. That right side corner.
Sir, 1 by s by 1 plus a cube by s cube, sir.
Then what is the answer came actually? S square by 1 s square by s s cube by s cube plus a cube, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, maybe in
Sir, I got a bit different answer from that.
problem.
Even number.
Later on. Okay, roll number 45, no problem. You check one more time. You can leave the meeting also. Sanjay. Okay. It's okay, bhai. Next.
Sir, little bit rough only I did, sir.
No, don't do like that. Okay, when I'm asking for some
Yes, sir.
answer,
In
that
exam
time.
I'll write properly, sir.
No, not exam. I don't worry about exam. That is your matter. Okay, a little bit upside. It should be more clear. Okay, next time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 62. Next, you can leave the meeting.
Okay, sir.
I am 11.
Yeah, show your notebook on. Not sorry. Yeah, correct. This is the correct way to show. Okay, I'm easily getting.
Roll number 11, sir.
Why so many double writing, etc. Why you are doing so much mistakes? Okay, na? So many mistakes. Don't do that, na? Go slowly. Do all these steps. Okay, Hare Krishna.
Shall I leave?
No, it's okay. No need to send. Roll number 11. Complete. You can leave the meeting.
So roll number 28.
Just show your notebook and you can then leave the meeting. No problem. Roll number 28. Okay, I don't like so many overwriting. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, means overwriting means you don't do overwriting. You just cut it 1 slash. Okay. When you are using any scissor or anything, 1 slash is more than enough. No need to use 2 times, 3 times. Clear. So like that. Roll number 28. Okay, no problem. Clear.
Sir, roll
Next.
number 11, sir. 11.
11 already completed.
roll
You
number
can
11.
leave. Yeah, I have already
Okay.
checked your one. 28 also.
Sir, roll number 30.
Roll number 46. Just wait. Other fellow. Just wait. I will. No problem. You should be online only. Roll number 40. Yeah, 46. You can leave the meeting now. Now 30. By a little bit close. 30. Roll number 30. Yeah, this is the way to. Correct. Okay. You can leave the meeting. 30. 46 also you can leave the meeting. 46, 30 completed. Next. Okay. 20. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Roll number 2 you can leave.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 27. Just little bit close, ma. Yeah. Right side, little bit. Yeah. Okay. 27 completed. Okay.
Okay.
Next, 46. I have already checked your paper. Okay, you can leave the meeting. Hussain, you can leave the meeting. I have already checked your one. Completed
Sir,
one.
roll number 20.
Yeah, ma. Just show me. Why, as a little bit close of that one? Why you have written this one? Little bit close. No. It should this one. Yes. Okay. 20. You check your last steps. Why you have taken so many? Why you have roll number 20? You can leave.
Okay, sir.
Roll number
Sir,
63.
51.
63. Little bit down. Little bit. No, little, no, up, 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 up. Little more, a little bit more. Little bit up. Correct. Okay. 63 completed. Yeah. Next.
50.
No, you just show your notebook. No need to say the roll number. Okay, now I can check that one also. Yeah, go a little bit up. 54, 54. Little bit up. You also you have already used so many double writing, overwriting, and
I done, sir.
yeah, Teja.
Sir, 32.
54 completed.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Sir, 32.
41, sir.
32.
Sir,
You
that's-
have not shown 32. 32 I have not written. Show me 1 second. Okay, no problem.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, visible. But you just show your paper. Yeah, 32 over.
Okay, sir.
You have shown me.
Roll number 41.
Just show me, and no need to say your
Sir,
roll
32.
number.
Can I leave?
Yeah. I have already told you.
Okay, sir.
41. Why you are moving here and there? Okay. Okay. Okay, go. Correct. 41 completed.
Okay.
Roll number 3. Why, Prajapat, just up, little bit up. Yeah. Okay, Prajapat, roll number. What is your roll number? 3 over. 13 over. 313 completed.
Sir, 61, sir.
I am online only. Just